A 48-year-old mother from Raipur, who shed an incredible 43 kilograms, is now sharing the unexpected side effects of lifting weights through inspiring before and after photos, sparking curiosity with the question people might ask. But here's where it gets controversial. Does lifting weights really make women look bulky and masculine? Let's dive into the truth. Sushma Pachouri Khadia, a fitness enthusiast and coach from Raipur, Chhattisgarh, has transformed her body drastically, dropping from 93 kilograms to a lean 50 kilograms. She has documented her entire journey on Instagram, becoming a beacon of inspiration for many. What sets her story apart is her strong endorsement of weightlifting as the key to her fitness success. Contrary to a common myth, lifting weights does not make women look overly muscular or manly. Celebrity fitness trainer Tridev Pandey explained in a November 2024 interview that strength training benefits women immensely, both physically and mentally. Sushma's experience reflects this perfectly. For example, lifting weights helped her reshape her body and boost her confidence, proving that strength training is far from just building bulk. Sushma's Instagram account is a treasure trove of health, fitness tips, and candid storytelling about her path to well-being. At 48 and a mother of an 18-year-old, she emphasizes clean eating, mostly home-cooked meals, and maintaining a consistent workout schedule as critical elements of her success. On October 5th, she shared a lighthearted post titled "Side Effects of Lifting Weights," which humorously highlights how adding weightlifting to one's routine changes everyday life in surprisingly positive ways. Here are some of the side effects Sushma pointed out that might resonate with many. Your confidence could soar every time you catch a glimpse in the mirror. Clothes suddenly fit better, which might seem frustrating if you enjoyed hiding in baggy outfits. Friends and even strangers might ask about your fitness regimen, bringing unexpected attention. Your energy levels could spike dramatically, leaving you with no excuse for lethargy. Stress, your former companion, might just fade away. Lifting everyday items, like groceries, becomes effortless and even boring. Improved sleep, radiant skin, and an unstoppable feeling may become your new norm. Worst of all, you could grow to love the stronger, healthier version of yourself. How tragic, right? While the humor is clear, the underlying message is powerful. Incorporating weight training can transform not only your body, but your entire lifestyle. Weightlifting doesn't just build muscle. It sculpts lean muscle that enhances a woman's physique without unnecessary bulk. This process fosters strength, confidence, and holistic fitness. However, it's equally important to approach weightlifting sensibly, being mindful of safety and proper techniques to avoid injuries. For those curious to get started or improve their routine, professional guidance is invaluable. There are fitness coach-approved strength training tips specifically tailored for older adults to maximize benefits while minimizing risks. But here is the part most people miss. There is still debate in some circles about whether strength training fits every woman's fitness goals or cultural expectations. What do you think? Does weightlifting challenge traditional ideas of femininity, or is it empowering in new ways? Share your thoughts below. Note, this story is based on content shared by users on social media. The claims have not been independently verified and should not replace professional medical advice. For more insights on strength training and its benefits for women, as well as practical tips to begin your journey, explore expert articles and fitness resources. Remember, your path to health and confidence is uniquely yours to craft.